Hey everyone, I'm from Australia and this is me testing out Krisp's accent conversion feature.
Hi, everyone. I'm from Australia, and this is me testing out Crisp's accent conversion feature.
That was the same voice, same mic, same person. The only difference is one click inside an app called Krisp. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you exactly how this works, how to set it up, and whether it is actually good enough to use on real calls. And I will be honest about 3 major limitations that Krisp does not advertise, including one that could make this completely useless depending on who you are. Krisp is mostly known as a noise cancellation app. It removes background noise on calls. But their accent conversion feature is a completely different beast. It takes your natural accent and converts it to neutral American English in real time, while keeping your actual voice and tone. This is not text-to-speech. This is not a voice changer. It is your voice, just with a different accent. This is massive for remote workers, freelancers, virtual assistants, content creators, call center workers, basically anyone who communicates internationally and wants to be understood clearly. Let me show you how to set this up. It takes about 2 minutes. Step 1. Go to krisp.ai and download the app. It is free to start. I will cover pricing at the end. Step 2. Open Krisp and go to Settings. You will see the accent conversion option right here. Step 3. Select your target accent. Right now, the main option is American English. Step 4. Open whatever app you use for calls, Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, Discord, and set your microphone to Krisp microphone instead of your default mic. That is it. 4 steps. 2 minutes. Now let me show you what it actually sounds like. I am going to read a short paragraph with my normal accent, then the exact same paragraph with accent conversion turned on so you can hear the difference clearly.
Please call Stella, ask her to bring these things with her from the store. 6 spoons of fresh snow peas, 5 thick slabs of blue cheese, and maybe a snack for her brother Bob. We also need a small plastic snake and a toy frog for the kids. She can meet us at the restaurant after she brings the food.
Please call Stella. Ask her to bring these things with her from the store: 6 spoons of fresh snow peas, 5 thick slabs of blue cheese, and maybe a snack for her brother Bob. We also need a small plastic snake and a toy frog for the kids. She can meet us at the restaurant after she brings the food.
Same words, same voice, same mic. The only difference is that one toggle inside Krisp. Now that you have heard it work, let me tell you why this might not work for everyone. Here are 3 things Krisp does not advertise. So here is my honest take after testing this. What is genuinely impressive? 1. It works in real time with almost no noticeable delay. 2. It keeps your natural voice and tone. It does not sound robotic. 3. It works on any call platform: Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, Discord. Now, here are the limitations that Krisp does not really advertise, and this is what I mentioned at the start. Limitation 1, and this is the big one: the accent conversion currently only supports specific accent pairs. It is primarily designed to convert Indian, Filipino, and Latin American English accents into a neutral American style. It does not yet support every regional accent universally, so depending on your accent, your results may vary significantly compared to what you saw in their marketing. Limitation 2. This is desktop only, Mac and Windows. If you are hoping to use accent conversion on your phone during mobile calls, it is not supported. iOS and Android do not allow real-time audio processing during live calls due to platform restrictions, so this only works when you are at your computer. Limitation 3. Microphone matters. Krisp recommends a high-quality USB wired headset with a boom microphone for the best results. Bluetooth headsets can cause configuration conflicts and reduced audio quality. And if you're in an extremely loud environment, even with noise cancellation on, the accent conversion can struggle. Pricing. Krisp has a free tier with limited daily minutes. Paid plans start at around $8 per month for the core plan, but you need to get the advanced $15 per month plan for unlimited accent conversion. You can use Krisp's AI accent conversion on the free plan, but it is limited. Free users typically get 60 minutes per day of accent conversion. So, that is Krisp Accent Conversion. Genuinely impressive technology, but with real limitations you should know about before paying. The link is in the description if you want to try it. If this was useful, subscribe. I test free and affordable AI tools every week, so you never overpay for AI. Drop a comment. What tool you want me to review next? Let me know.